Voice acting is hard work. Here's 4 tips. If you want to land some voice acting jobs, first you'll need to fine-tune your technique. It's not super easy to land these gigs, but if you're determined enough, it's a great way to showcase your range, and you may even get to work from home. Here's how. You'll need to work on articulating your words, meaning you'll need to be very mindful that you're speaking 100% clearly, emphasizing each utterance. This isn't something anyone commonly thinks about in everyday conversation. Everyone has their own ways of pronouncing certain words. A dialect they're used to speaking that is based largely on how they've learned to speak early on in life. In normal day-to-day conversation, it's uncommon to take the time and effort to enunciate to the degree that you'll need to in order to book voice acting jobs. Your breathing is also important, which is another one of those things that no one really takes the time to think about. It just happens. Voice actors know how to control their breathing, so they don't run out of breath in the middle of a word or a sentence. They also know how to minimize coughing, sighing, swallowing, or gulping. In order to book voice acting jobs, you'll need to become familiar with how to control all of these things. You'll also want to learn how to speak with different tones and styles so you can fulfill a wider range of voice acting jobs. This means you'll need to do more than just learn how to articulate when you speak and control your breath, but you'll want to be able to do so in many different styles of speech. It is common for voice actors to be booked for roles that seem completely counterintuitive to who the actor is in real life. The best voice actors can adapt their vocal cords to accommodate a wide range of jobs. Another must-have skill is the ability to maintain character consistency. It can feel uncomfortable speaking in a totally unfamiliar speech pattern, and most of the time you'll have to do that for more than just one go-through. In fact, you may have to do so for more than one day. You'll have to get into character and stay in character for the duration of the project. To satisfy the needs of casting directors who are seeking to fill voice acting jobs, you'll have to match the personality and characteristics of the role you're portraying, even though you're never actually seen on camera. Your vocal tone should match the attitude, dialect, and sometimes even the accent of the character. Most voice actors pursue other gigs at the same time they're hoping to break into the industry in order to allow enough time to hone their craft and understand the nuances before applying for gigs. There's so much more to voice acting jobs than recording yourself and calling it a day. In considering this type of work, it's important to keep an open mind and diversify your skill set as much as possible. Then take a deep breath and get into character. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.